Hi guys, I haven't done this in a while, but we're making progress on the BMW electric conversion project. Intern Cedric's been working on the test setup to design all the sheet metal and how to mount the gearbox and everything. We had a dry test, which you probably saw in a reel, but now we have it actually hooked up to a wheel and a speedometer. So now we can actually see what it does and how fast it goes. So here it goes. Fourth gear. So as you can see, it goes really fast. It went up to 175 kilometers an hour. Originally, the motor allegedly should go 200 kilometers an hour. So that's really close. But this is still the small motor. The bigger one is coming in soon, which will get a little bit more RPM and even more torque. But we will use this one for a simple road test once we get the new frame modified to actually house the battery pack, and then we'll do a road test. So that will be next time. This is already very exciting, so I'm really happy in place with this. So good job, man. See you guys next time. And as a little add-on, we were wearing earmuffs because it is pretty loud, as you.
So everybody who's ready to build an exhaust that sound isn't quiet at all.